Good morning, seventh grade. Today we are going to be reading the nonfiction article Deadly Hits. We already previewed this article on Monday when we looked at several of the text features and also studied the vocabulary. Now, today we're going to ask you to read the article. And so I'm going to actually do a read aloud. So that way, if you miss our class or if you need to go back and reread, you can read along with me. Okay. So, deadly hits. After a 13-year-old football player suffered a life-altering brain injury, he and his family dedicated their lives to making youth sports for everyone. By Lauren Tarshis. And here's a little blurb. October 12, 2006 was crisp and clear in Seattle, Washington. It was a perfect day for football. Parents watched as two middle school teams faced off on the field. Zachary Lindsted, 13, was a star player in his Tahoma junior high team. He'd made two big tackles that afternoon, helping put Tahoma in the lead. Late in the game's first half, Zach tackled a runner rushing toward the end zone. Both boys fell to the ground. Zach's head smacked against the turf. The other boy quickly got up. Zach did not. Zach lay on his back, clutching his helmet and writhing in pain. His coach ran to him. His fellow players took a knee and waited for Zach to get up. Seconds ticked by. The crowd remained silent. Finally, Zach sat up. People cheered as he walked slowly off the field. His teammates slapped his back. Zach sat down to rest. The game went on. Football, as usual. But something unusual was happening inside Zach's head. Zach had suffered a concussion, a kind of brain injury. When his head hit the ground, his brain shook violently against the inside of his skull. Sitting on the bench, Zach seemed okay, but billions of cells in his brain had been injured by the impact.